In front of me is Realme Narzo N61 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this gear on the left to adjust all of its settings. Then go back and use red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to end it and save it on the right one. If you want to, you can click on this icon with 3 lines when recording is off to access list of all your recordings. To play the chosen one, click on it. To rename it, hold it, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner and hit rename. Then choose save. And to get rid of it, click on this bin at the top right corner and choose allow. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!